Oh, you called it the
We
Tapathon.
call it the Tapathon. Yeah. I think we are like famous for naming things as well. And the one thing I'm very proud of is like that we can name things. Yeah, so we were very oversubscribed. So we've got 5,000 users sort of tapping away.
So is this like a stress test of the systems?
This is like a final stress test of the system. So when you sign up for the Tapathon, you get $1,000 to trade with. If you lose that $1,000, you can bring your balance up to $100. So you do have a chance to sort of like keep trading. But the results have been very positive. So we're always a little bit worried about the like leading up to this moment. You just like don't quite know, right? Like
there's always a fear, like when it goes.
There's always a fear, yeah. Like when I vibe coded the first sort of proof of concept, you could just like print money, and it's like obviously that's not going to work in real life. And then a lot of the FUD that we got up until this point was like, oh, everyone's just going to get like wrecked because these people that vibe coded competitors, like they just wrecked everyone. Like you go on any of these like competitors and you just lose all your money like instantly. It's just not.
I suppose they're not having external market makers being able to compete on price that they're making on, right? So they're making it a little bit more.
You're just trading against the house with like a bad market making model. It's like rigged against you basically. So we've like put all of the effort into making the execution very fast, making the market making as competitive as possible, so that players basically have a higher
the best
edge.
prices for these options.
Yeah. And looking at the statistics yesterday, it was really positive. So there was a bunch of traders that were like quite highly in positive P&L. A few people were like $30,000 or whatever of profit. People had made about 500,000 taps, and the market makers were overall in profit as well. And about 40% of users were in profit, which I think is like very positive. That's sort of like what you want as a trading platform.
Yeah.
And as long as we can like keep this up, I think it'll be like.
Do you think people's behavior will change when it's real money? Not.
I mean, already, right? We see like some cat and mouse games. We look at like the people who have the highest edge and like, okay, well, like what are they doing? We say, oh, okay, like I won't go into it because it's kind of like alpha at this point. And this is the fun, right? Like you can go and try and rug the market makers. There will be some people who can tap well and they will make money basically. But I expect that these will just become like more fun. Basically, there'll be a bunch of different ways that people will try and game the system. There'll be a bunch of things that the makers do to try and protect themselves against the sharp flow. I'm really excited to see this. Play out.
I mean that's just how it is in all trading systems, right? You like
I've been the toxic flow.
I mean, at least it's better than in TradFi where if you give them too much toxic flow, they just ring you up and say we're not doing it anymore.
I guess like salmonella was sort of the ultimate toxic flow, right? So I've been on both sides of that relationship. I've been the toxic flow. I've been the person trying to protect against the toxic flow. Now I'm the platform.
But how long is the Tapathon going on for?
It's going for 2 weeks. And then we will probably like maybe a week or so after that, we're planning to launch the mainnet. Everything going well, which it looks like it's going well at the moment. So you won't have to, if you're watching this, you won't have to wait for very long.